Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how you can watch YouTube online together at the same time with your friends. This is really easy and I'm going to show you how you can do it within this video. Let's just jump into it and I'll show you exactly what you need to do. So we can watch any YouTube video together with our friends at the same time, super simply with this website. So what you need to do is you need to go to Google and you need to type in watch and then the number 2 and then together.com. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to go and check it out after you've watched the video, but it's called watchtogether.com. Now once you're here, we can create your room. You don't have to sign in or make an account or anything like this. Now once you've created a room, you should see that you'll have a default video load and it might start playing right away. Now let's just go over some of the commands in Watch Together and I'll show you how you can use it. So right at the bottom you've got your user, and then when more people join, you'll see them down here. You can also invite people by clicking on the user and the plus icon, and then you can copy and paste this link to them once you've got your room set up, but we'll get more into detail in that in a second. Now to add a song to the watch party, what you can do is you can go onto YouTube and you can find any song. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my channel and we're going to watch one of our most popular videos, how to reset your Roblox password without email. So let's say you and your friends all wanted to get together and watch how to reset your Roblox password. So you would copy the URL, and anybody in the party can do this, by the way. You can then paste it into this link here, into this box here. What that's going to do is it's going to find the video on YouTube. You can either suggest a video or you can either add it to playlist. Now once it's in the playlist, we can go and click on that and it's going to start to play that video. Super simple. Now you can add multiple videos in the playlist. You can get the playlist to shuffle. You can get the playlist to play one in chronological order. And that's pretty much the playlist and how you can play videos. Now to add people, again, click the add button and copy this URL. And then we can send it to your friends. All your friends have to do is paste in the URL. So I'll simulate that now. So I'm going to open up a new incognito tab here. And I'm going to paste in this invite link. And what it's going to do is it's going to join us inside the watch party. So you can see now we've got a new user inside the watch party. And here we go, my video has now loaded. So now what you want to do is you want to make sure all the videos are at the start. And anybody can play the video now. So I can play the video on my screen or my friend can play the video. And they're both going to play at the same time. So we'll click play. So you can see they both play at the same time. Now, there is a little bit of a delay. There is maybe, I don't know, 1 second delay. But honestly, when you're watching like a normal video, you can't really tell that much. You can only tell because this video is heavily focused on commentary. So you can see, you can hear my voice twice, but it's very vague. But that's how you do it anyway. That's how you can watch YouTube together. If that video helped you out, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.